If WooCommerce is free out of the box and Shopify charges $39 a month for their basic plan, then why do more and more merchants choose Shopify every single year? I'll tell you why. And it's the same reason why Automatic, the company behind WooCommerce, has launched WooExpress. They're going head-to-head with the biggest players, including Shopify, Wix, Squarespace, and BigCommerce. And perhaps you already know what this reason is. When a merchant wants to take their store online, they have a number of big decisions to make. And it's quite daunting. Perhaps you've even been there yourself. There's dozens of competing providers available, such as Shopify, but they all come with a hefty monthly fee. So why not go with WooCommerce, the free and open source option? While WooCommerce itself comes without a price tag, merchants soon discover there are major associated costs. You still need to purchase a domain name, get hosting, and potentially add some plugins before you're all set up. Those costs can really add up, and on top of that, you need to learn how to run your site using WordPress. Don't get me wrong, this is still the preferred option for some, but most of us just don't have time for all that hassle. New merchants have been voting with their clicks by choosing fully hosted, done-for-you software solutions. For instance, between March 2020 and January 2022, the number of active Shopify stores increased from 1.2 million to over 3.8 million, a more than 200% jump in less than 2 years. And in the US, the world's most lucrative market, their market share has grown to nearly 30%, while WooCommerce hovers around 20%. These SaaS companies have put web design and e-commerce shop management on easy mode, so people are happy to pay a premium for the convenience. But now WooCommerce is aiming to disrupt this landscape by meeting shoppers in the middle with a mixture of both convenience and customization. In a podcast featuring the head of engineering at WooCommerce, Bo Lebens spoke about the problem they were facing. WooCommerce developers realized that far too many aspiring merchants were getting derailed by the complexities of getting an online store set up. The headaches of hosting, domains, and security were proving too challenging for new store owners who hadn't even made their first sale yet. In response, the team at Automatic constructed a shortcut called WooExpress, a streamlined, fully hosted solution with ready-made online storefronts that merchants can set up with a few clicks. But unlike their direct competition, WooExpress offers the best of both worlds, with rapid rollout powered by Woo's proven core and the flexibility to tailor that foundation over time. How does WooExpress work? WooExpress handles virtually all of the heavy lifting of getting an e-commerce store online by using WordPress.com's robust hosting infrastructure. Remember, WordPress.com is not the same as WordPress.org. WordPress.com offers a fully hosted solution for website owners, and WordPress.org is the open source version of WordPress that most of us are using. Merchants get proven commerce functionality out of the box, from security and speed optimization to payment integrations, automated tax calculation, and inventory management tools, all optimized and on autopilot. And beyond that, merchants can still take advantage of the thousands of great third-party plugins that exist to help streamline the WooCommerce experience, such as the 20+ WooCommerce plugins that we've developed here at Barn 2. You can read more about them on our website or down in the description. This means that WooExpress users will still be able to take advantage of the countless customization options that are already available for WooCommerce users. So what does this mean for Shopify? Shopify has enjoyed dominance in the market by being the beginner-friendly solution, but by replicating that simplified setup and allowing more back-end customization, WooExpress positions itself as a serious contender for Shopify's slice of the pie. WooCommerce is placing a direct stake in the ground through WooExpress. They even priced it at the same $39 a month as Shopify, or $25 if paying annually. And at the time of making this video, they both offer a 3-month startup program, which is just $1 for WooExpress and $3 for Shopify. Talk about going head to head. In the past, Shopify was the main winner whenever merchants found the WordPress plus WooCommerce plugin too complicated to understand and set up. But obviously now, Woo is trying to compete for those users from the start. Having the WooExpress option erases Shopify's simplest sales pitch to newcomers. So we'll have to watch this space and see how things shake out in terms of market share, but I'm sure the competition will be beneficial for everyone. So, which one is better? Well, I've talked about why WooExpress is now a great solution for beginners just like Shopify, but to find out which platform is the best, you need to check out this video here where I tested out both platforms for you. So go ahead, Click on the video. It's right there. You still here? All right. And as always, thanks for watching. But click on the video. Go on. I know you want to. It's right there.